Hi, I'm Jean Lachapelle from the product marketing team at Ansys, now part of Synopsys, and I'm excited to share with you what's new in 2026 R1 in Ansys Maxwell and Ansys Motor-CAD'e for electric machines. Significant speed improvement. Ansys Maxwell delivers a major speed boost in its 2D magnetic transient solver through a new first-order element options and enhanced solver and meshing performance. Motor design and electric machine engineers can run 2D transient simulation up to 3.5 times faster, with workflow enhancements delivering up to 10 times faster end-to-end execution. Users gain higher throughput without sacrificing accuracy, enabling broader design space exploration and allowing more machine variants to be evaluated in the same time frame, supporting smarter, faster engineering decisions. Next, Ansys Motor-CAD'e now includes thermal support for Axial-Flux machines and unlocks a new level of design agility with flexible single and dual topology modeling, intuitive winding connection setup, advanced rotor skew and permanent magnet segmentation, rich size visualization, and Python-driven geometry customization. Enhanced multiphysics intelligence adds stronger thermal modeling, demagnetization insight, NVH force export to Ansys Mechanical, and a refined hybrid AC loss method. These innovations empower engineers to explore breakthrough Axial-Flux machine design with confidence while achieving faster decisions, higher accuracy, and more predictable real-world performance. Finally, we are improving electric machine efficiency calculation in both Ansys Maxwell and Ansys Motor-CAD'e. Maxwell adds streamlined improvements for Y-connected solid windings and space vector pulse width modulation winding definitions. The new Y connection setting makes the Y winding setup easy across Maxwell 3D, voltage type windings, and the new space vector pulse width modulation voltage winding option. Space vector pulse width modulation excitations are now generated automatically from user inputs, producing clean, fully periodic patterns with instant voltage updates. More authentic drive excitation leads to stronger confidence in loss and efficiency results. Motor-CAD'e introduces easier, more accurate loss modeling with new twist factor support for Litz wire calculations and improved inputs for bearing, sleeve, and bending losses. Workflow speed also increases with sleeve and bending losses now selectable directly from field plot drop-downs. These enhancements give engineers more precise efficiency predictions and a faster, smoother setup experience, enabling better machine optimization with greater confidence. Thanks for watching, and visit us at ansys.com.